How to redeem a limited time Spotify promo code. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to redeem a limited time code on Spotify. First thing first, open Spotify on your mobile device. Make sure that you're logged into your account. And if you go over to the top left and then to the settings and privacy, you can see there is no option to enter a redeem code over here. So what you're going to do instead is open Spotify through your browser and type in this URL. Go over to Chrome or any other web browser. Then you can find this URL, spotify.com/redeem. Just tap on it and you can easily enter your redeem code over here. Tap on continue. And if the redeem code is valid, you should be getting your Spotify Premium from here. If you want to use other payment options, you can change that as well, and you're going to be good to go. So that's how you basically do it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.